Hello, today we will guide you through how to automatically copy Zoom meeting. Invite link to Clipboard. If you often share Zoom meetings with coworkers, classmates, or clients, turning on this setting can save you a little time every time you start a meeting. Once it's enabled, Zoom can automatically copy the meeting invite link to your clipboard, making it much faster to paste into a message, email, or chat. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application, since that's where this setting is managed. Once Zoom is open and fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the window. There, click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your personal app options and account-related controls. When you click it, a menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings window, where Zoom organizes its features into different categories. If you don't see the option immediately, just give the menu a quick glance and select the one labeled Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on Meeting and Webinar. This section contains many of the tools related to how meetings behave and how information is shared before or during a session. It's the area where you'll find the option we need for this adjustment. Next, scroll down until you find the Controls section. Depending on your screen size or Zoom version, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. Take your time here and look carefully through the listed options, since several settings can appear close together. Once you've found the Controls section, look for the option related to automatically copying the invite link. Then click the toggle button for Automatically Invite Link. When the toggle is turned on, Zoom will automatically place the meeting invite link onto your clipboard when appropriate, so you can quickly paste it wherever you need. After enabling it, you can close the settings window. Your change should be saved automatically, so there's usually no extra confirmation needed. The next time you create or launch a meeting, this feature can help streamline the sharing process and reduce a few repetitive clicks. That's all it takes to enable automatic copying of your Zoom meeting invite link to the clipboard. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes your Zoom workflow a little quicker and easier.